Dusty already, Cal. Dust.
Yeah, the top is dry.
Dusty. It's, the glass is dirty.
Oops. Tight there. This will be my edges plant here. I'm going to plant this back and forth.
Yan pa yung mga trees, guys, that fell because of the icy on the trees. There's glare. Kita niyo po, guys. Did you see, guys? Lots of trees knocked down when it rained and then it freeze. So it became ice and it's heavy on the trees. Iba po may-ari niyan.
Same little cranes right here again.
Where?
Coming up.
Oh, yeah, may Sandhill crane. Sandhill crane. Ayun, guys, oh, sa loob. Oh, ayun.
Some babies there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the one we see. You know. Oh, the baby. Oh my, they feel nervous. Tayo sa mga. Ooh, going down. Going down. Going down.
This was always the end right here. We turned and went up that way.
Yeah.
This was all we ever farmed right here.
Yeah, that's the Sandhill cranes that is it their second year that
I think more now.
more than that when she lays eggs, the daddy Sandhill crane just on the field standing and the mama lay egg. She only has one baby, Cal.
I think there was two there, though. He's a veterinarian in Ohio.
So he will just come here and visit like a vacation.
Yeah.
There, out of sun, what you call the glare. Oh, don't hit that, Cal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good thing you told me that.
That's the Sage Lake Road. There's another light post. Electric Electric post. Yan ang road. I belong. Country road.
Take me home.
Okay guys, I'm back here on the field. So, nagpark ako dyan. So, ito, magtatanim na siya dito. Meron po palang spring dyan. May spring daw, kaya laging basa. Pero na-tile na po ito, pero ewan ko ano nangyari at hindi pa rin nadidrain dyan. So, lalagyan po nila ng ano, para ma-drain. Marami pong spring dito sa ano, springs dito sa lugar namin. Kahit sa Rose City. Basta marami pong lakes dito, rivers, dito sa aming state, sa Michigan. Okay guys, bakit po yan flat? Niro-roll po yan. May parang rolling pin. So, ayan, naka-ready na. So, ito po ay hayfield nung inupahan. Pero ito, yung kalahati kasi nito eh. Yung kamag-anak din nila, their relative renting this area, but isa lang pong may-ari. Yun po yung bahay ng may-ari. So, kilala po namin. So, they only farm that side, and this one is a hayfield that their relative is renting. And so, but his parents, my husband's or my in-laws are renting this ground for 30 years. So, dapat lang po na silang makabili nito. Hindi naman po maganda kasi sandy to eh. This is a sandy ground. So, and then lots of hills, lots of ravine. And then, so that's why they put, they tile it. So, of course, it costs them money. If they will not do that, they are not going to have a good crops here. It's because this wet ground. Okay guys, ayan ang aming bale of hay. Tonight, we're gonna take bale to, andyan lang po ang Sage Lake, oh, yung aming property. Andyan lang po, andyan. Doon lang. So, yan po ang corner dyan, corner. Sage Lake and Pettit Road. Okay, guys. Just that it's dusty outside here, outside the we're gonna start here. the road. Yan po ang anak ng may-ari nitong field na binenta na po. Namatay na po kasi ang nanay. Dusty. This is the nice thing. Inuuna po muna yung sides. Why is it different color there, Cal? Because it's wet?
Yeah.
Wet. Because it is wet. Wishing well. It's the wishing well. Because it is wet. Wet part po yan. So you're not gonna plant it, Cal?
No.
Oh, because it's all really always wet.
Well, not as bad as that normally.
Mm-hmm.
Normally we plant it.
They have some bricks there.
Yeah. What's goofy is just out in general in the fields this year, all the low holes are dry, but yet the swamp holes are still full of water. And if you get around the swamp hole that's full of water, then like the edge of the field, it's wet.
For our young cattle. Nobody inquire about the hay, Cal.
Yeah. Look at when we're getting fertilizer now. Something just
Something wrong?
you gotta get fertilizer.
Oh. And what is that? This is fertilizer in front, right?